Hey guys, welcome to our kitchen once again. It's real nice and Molly here. Today we'll be doing a cucumber chutney. I had posted a picture of this on Instagram and someone had requested the recipe, so we're going to be doing that today. Remember to check it out on Instagram at Real Nice Guyana 1. Also on Facebook, we're on Facebook, Real Nice Guyana. Please do check it out. And here's the recipe guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna wash our cucumbers here. So you want to cut them up now because you're gonna be blending this. So this cucumber chutney here can go in place of your mango sour and stuff like that. You would have them with the same stuff that you would have with your mango chutney and sour. Palauri and potato balls and stuff like that. You can even have this with some boiled chana, black eye. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go ahead to blend these here. We've added our pepper there. Pepper to taste as much as you like. And now we're gonna add our cucumber there. Now we're gonna add our vinegar there. Salt to taste. And that's it there guys, you just give this a few pulses, get it all blended up there. Okay guys, so that's all there is to your cucumber chutney here. And this is just after blending, it looks like this here because there's a lot of froth and stuff in there. So when it sits for a while, it's gonna look like this here. And this is what your cucumber chutney is right here. Alright, so thanks again for watching guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Please share this video as well. Check us out on Instagram at Real Nice Guyana 1, Facebook on Real Nice Guyana. And as always, thanks for watching guys. Take care. Bye.